All right, we tidied everything all around this already, so we're going to go ahead and take this off its charger here for one last time. And we're going to switch it on. There we go. See our lights there indicating that there is power. The key is turned on. Going to go and flip it to the on position, which is already is. I always forget to turn it off. That's fine. The kill switch is on. Hold down the brake lever. You can see here the high torque starter motor. Again, we're working with a very low battery that's dead. And we're going to go ahead and again see how much power is coming to the battery itself. I mean from the battery switching over to the power line to the Shin Yea starter motor. So there we go. Right now it's registering. Go and bring it out a little bit more so you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to crank it. Right now it's on this side where it needs to have the switch turn over. It's going to bridge it. And it's going to transfer power momentarily here when we hit that switch, okay? And the spark plug is tidy in there already. Nice and secure. Exhaust is pulled out. The LED lights are looking good. Gas is turned on. So again, we need gas, compression, which we have a lot of compression. This is probably the only starter motor that might even turn over the high compression motor that we have here. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit the switch and see how it jumps. It's just dropping too much. It's not withstanding the battery, and the jump starter here, it doesn't have a full 12-point volt charge to it. So let's say, for instance, we move it here. See here, it's barely 12.04, but when it jumps over, we need at least a 12 plus to try to crank it over. Okay, that's what the dead acid set battery there. Crank it. You can almost feel it here. You put your finger right here on the solenoid, you can feel it clicking. You can feel that the spring magnet is bringing it to the conduction. But it's just not enough juice there to turn it over. Not enough amperage to really get the full potential of the starter motor. So we won't put too much more stress on it. We'll leave it there. And tomorrow we'll put the Shin Yea battery, which is going to be charged to a full almost 13 volts. And then we're going to have a better reading here of 12.5 or 12.8, something in the high 13s a little bit. And then we're going to see how it transfers over. There we go. So our lights are nice and turned on. So that's it. We're going to wrap this up for today. Tomorrow, we're going to try to get back onto it.